morning, welcome back to the farm. We're riding down to the potato patch. I've already done all my morning stuff. I'm babysitting, got my little buddy here. So we'll pull in down here and we'll talk about what we're gonna do. So I'm down here at the potato patch and I'm gonna work this today. We're supposed to get a big rain. Either, I can't remember if it's tonight or tomorrow. But what I'm gonna do, and you can see how big these things got. And I'm also babysitting, and I've got my side pulled up close where he can see it. As long as he can see me, I think he's all right. Like, you know, the girls are going to New York, so I'm having to babysit him, and we've already been out here a good hour. We did our chicken chores and watered and fertilized. Took a little longer today. I fertilized my tomatoes and I did all other watering, and so he's usually pretty good for about an hour, so we're hitting that mark. So anyway, my plan is we're down here. You can see that I've already got some good growth. I mean, they're getting ready. We're getting ready to bloom. Here's some blooms right here. So I got to hit these again. I mean, I'm gonna hit them, and what I'm gonna do is take my walk behind tiller and go between the rows and try to get some of these weeds killed up where I didn't plant them exactly spacing right where my cultivator. Where the cultivator did good. I mean, right, this row right here is really good. That row over there is pretty good. So, but anyway, I don't know what happened, but anyway, that don't matter. I got to do something about it. So I'm gonna take my walk behind tiller and till the rows, and then we're gonna fertilize her, and we'll bring the Jubilee down here. We're gonna hit them again. And hopefully, like I said, I'm babysitting, so I hope he's all right. And if I have to stop at some point, I will, but that's not a big deal. If I get time, I really need to fertilize my corn back here too. I'm gonna hit these with triple 19 again. I got some triple 10. I was gonna do it, but I need to get rid of that triple 19. It's getting look like, you know, it's been out. I've kept it down here at the high tone. It's getting moisture in it, so I need to get that used up. All right, so we'll get this camera set up. Hopefully my tiller starts. I've not started it this year. I hope it's got gas in it, and I hope it starts, because I ain't got no gas and I don't want to fool with working on something. So we're gonna try to get it started and do this, and we'll get started. If it don't, we'll do something else. Say it started and had enough gas to do it. So he don't like the tiller, do you, baby? You afraid it's gonna hurt old Pappy, huh? Nah, he's a good boy. All right, I'm gonna get my fertilizer set up, or I got it right here. I just gotta put in a little jug, and we'll throw a little fertilizer on it, and we'll go see if that Jubilee starts. I ain't started that thing in over a week, maybe even longer. So I can't remember if it's even got the hiller still on it. So I need to go see it. Just fertilize. I'm gonna get my fertilizer out here and I'll show you what I mean. It's getting kind of clumpy or something. So let me get it brought out here and we'll get our little jug loaded up and we'll start fertilizing. I got this old bag of triple 19 and of course you know it's 19 nitrogen, 19 phosphate, 19 potash. And here's what it kind of looks like. It's kind of been in a high tunnel for maybe 2 years. So I'm not 100% sure it's doing good. Here's some triple 10 that I kept in the garage. And you can kind of see the difference here. See, it's still got some, you know, it's normal. So might even put this on the corner. I don't know, the triple 10 I'm talking about. All right, so we're gonna fertilize these, and like I said, you don't throw it right on the plant, just kind of throw it beside it. And that healer will come up and put that up in there. Anyway, that's the philosophy of it anyway. So we'll get this knocked out. We'll get the boy a drink of water, get him calmed down, and then we'll get the hopefully Jubilee start. And he's plumb tuckered out. I want you to look at him. See, he thinks this farming's tough. He wants his mama to get back home. Take it easy. He likes to come out here for a little while. Now, if I'm riding around doing my chores, he likes that, but as far as come out here and work, he don't much care for that. I wish I could just turn him loose, but I'm afraid he'd get up on that railroad track or see a rabbit and gone, and Lord have mercy, I'd have to move in with somebody watching the channel or something while I let something happen to my dog. So anyway, I ain't taking no chances. All right, I'm gonna get this fertilizer and we'll go get the Jubilee. Test done, and I'm just tickled to death. It's already clouding up. It might come rain before we know it, and I'm ready for it here. I'm gonna go do my corn, and I probably won't show it. It's not a big deal. It's just kind of basically the same way. This old Johnson grass is a scourge. I'll just throw it down beside it. Now the only difference is I'll have to work it by hand because rows are too wide for this. It'd be good if I could do that, but I can't. I ain't gonna chance it. I put them like 32 inches, and It's like I measured it, and it's 48 inches between the tire and everything. I don't know if I can make those tires narrow or whatever. I don't know. I have to look at that. Anyway, potatoes are done, and they're starting, like I said, they're starting to bloom or bud, and they'll be blooming. Really haven't seen any very much pest on them. Really the only thing that I get on potatoes is that old potato bug, I guess. Haven't seen any of those yet. But I got them healed, and this will probably be the last time, I reckon. I don't even know if I'll fertilize them again. But I think I've probably sick of me saying this, but best potatoes we've had in a long time. It was really good. I'm glad I went through there with that tiller. It looks better anyway. Looks better on camera. So, and then that healer did good. I made a little adjustment on it. Put them just a little bit more in and a little bit more deeper. And you know, I might hit them one more time. I don't know. I just have to play it by ear. Working out pretty good. So hope you enjoyed the video. Got the old Ford out. Got to see the little baby boy. Did a little bit of fertilizing. Had a pretty good little morning here, and I'm gonna go eat me some lunch, and I'm gonna come back and fertilize the sweet corn that's up. And hopefully, I ain't decided if I'm gonna do triple 10 or go straight to the 4600. So I'll make that determination here after I get in a few minutes. So I'm gonna eat me a little bite, and I'm gonna put all my stuff up, tractors, and get that fertilized, and then we'll be ready for some rain. I fertilized my other stuff yesterday. I fertilized all my cold crops and the crops over here that I got, my tomatoes. I might go ahead and plant some more tomatoes. I might do that. Film a little bit of that later on. All right, appreciate you watching. Give me a thumbs up. Hope you like the old Ford. I'm just tickled to death with it. I think I'm gonna go after I do the corn. If I get time, I'm gonna change the hydraulic fluid in it. Sounds like I didn't really notice it. You don't really notice it on it, but watching it on video, you hear like a whine in the rear end. I don't know if it's the rear end or the transmission. So, and I checked the fluid, and it looks like it's got some water in it. So I'm just gonna change it all out. I got the stuff. It shouldn't take very long, and hopefully that clears that up. Now I haven't started that in over a week, and the battery did fine. So I guess that generator is working. I don't think that battery would hold a charge for however long we've had this thing. At least 2 months now, and it might be one of the best buys I've made in a long time. It keeps on going, because I mean, you've seen it. I used the heck out of this thing here. I think I'm gonna run the cultivator down through there one more time. I might do that this evening. All right, I hear a train coming, so I'm gonna end the video. Appreciate you watching. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Our channel's growing. I need your help to keep it growing. I appreciate you watching. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down here in the farm in the next video.